This oil has truly transformed my hair, and I know it can do the same for you. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed at the results. I'm talking about an oil so powerful, it's become my absolute favorite. This isn't just a recipe, it's a hair growth journey that will leave you with incredible results. And trust me, the application is just as important as the oil itself. But it's not just about length and thickness. This oil also helps maintain your hair's natural pigment, keeping it rich and black. If you're tired of dull, lackluster hair, or if you're noticing premature graying, this is the solution you've been waiting for. You're going to absolutely love this recipe. Hey, my beautiful YouTube family. Are you tired of hair fall, thin hair, or graying too soon? I totally get you. Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite tried and tested hair oil recipes. A magical blend that promotes extreme hair growth, increases volume, and helps keep your hair naturally black without any chemicals. This is not just a recipe. It's a secret from my own routine. And believe me, once you try this, you'll never go back to store-bought oils. So don't skip. Watch till the end to understand the application method, storage, and real results you can expect. You're going to love this, the magical powder that changes everything. Before we begin, let me show you the hero of this recipe, our magical powder. It's a blend of curry leaves, rich in antioxidants, helps darken hair and reduce graying flax seeds, packed with omega-3, helps strengthen hair follicles. Dry rosemary stimulates hair growth and improves blood circulation in the scalp. Blend these three into a fine powder. And this is going to change your hair game forever. Now let's get to making this amazing oil. Step 1. Base oil, coconut oil. Take a generous amount of pure coconut oil. This is our base. Coconut oil penetrates deep into the hair shaft, nourishes your scalp, and protects against protein loss. It's been used for centuries in India for a reason. Step 2. Fenugreek powder. Next, add 1 full spoon of fenugreek powder. Fenugreek is a powerhouse for hair. It's rich in iron and protein, which are essential for hair growth, and it helps strengthen hair, reduce hair fall, and even condition your strands. This helps reduce dandruff, strengthens the roots, and promotes thicker hair. Step 3. Our magical powder. Now comes the magic. Add 1 spoon of the curry leaves plus flax seeds plus rosemary blend. This mix is rich in iron, protein, and omega-3, essential for healthy, black, and long hair. This is where the real magic happens, bringing together all those powerful benefits we just talked about. Have you ever used curry leaves in your hair care? Step 4. Amla powder. Add 1 spoon of amla powder, a powerhouse for hair growth and reversing premature graying. It also adds natural shine and prevents breakage. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is incredible for promoting hair growth, strengthening hair follicles, and famously, it helps in maintaining and darkening your hair's natural color. It's a must-have for black hair. Step 5. Moringa powder. Next, 1 spoon of moringa powder. It's loaded with zinc, iron, and vitamins A and E. Amazing for hair strength and fighting hair thinning, moringa is a superfood for your hair. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that nourish your scalp and hair, promoting healthy growth and overall vitality. Step 6. Bhringraj powder. Now, 1 spoon of bhringraj powder, also known as the king of herbs for hair. It boosts blood circulation and promotes rapid hair regrowth. It's renowned for its ability to promote rapid hair growth, prevent hair fall, and even reverse premature graying. This pure homemade bringraj powder is a true game changer. Last time I brought from India. Step 7. Brahmi powder. Finally, 1 spoon of Brahmi powder. It calms the scalp, reduces stress-related hair loss, and promotes thicker strands. Brahmi helps to strengthen hair roots, reduce hair fall, and promote a healthy scalp environment, which is crucial for overall hair growth. It also has a calming effect on the scalp, which can reduce stress-related hair issues. Time to infuse. Now put this mixture on low flame and let it slowly boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. We want to gently infuse all the goodness from these ingredients into the coconut oil. Keep stirring occasionally. You'll see the oil start to change color and become incredibly fragrant. Once it comes to a gentle boil, turn off the heat. This helps all the herbs release their nutrients into the oil. Leave it to infuse for at least 3 hours. This allows all the beneficial compounds to seep into the oil. For even better results, you can let it sit overnight. Straining and final touch. Once the oil has completely cooled down, it's time to strain it into a clean bowl. Strain it using a clean muslin cloth or sieve. To this infused herbal oil, we'll now add 2 more power-packed oils. The finishing touches. Power boosters. Now for the final power boosters. Castor oil for thickness. The thickness secret. Add a spoon of castor oil to the strained oil and mix well. Castor oil is a thick, nourishing oil known for its ability to promote hair growth and significantly increase hair thickness. It's a fantastic addition for adding volume and density to your hair. Mix well. Almond oil for shine and softness. Next, add a spoon of almond oil and mix thoroughly. Almond oil is rich in vitamins E and D, which nourish and soften the hair, adding incredible shine and making it more manageable. Nourishes and conditions dry hair and scalp. Mix everything well, and your extreme hair growth oil is ready. How to apply? Warm the oil slightly before use. Massage gently into the scalp for 10 minutes using fingertips. This is the most crucial step. Take a generous amount of oil and gently massage it into your scalp using your fingertips. Focus on circular motions to stimulate blood circulation. This delivers the nutrients directly to your hair follicles. Apply along the lengths of your hair. Leave overnight or for at least 2 hours. Wash with mild herbal shampoo. How often do you oil your hair in a week? Comment below. Storage tips. Store your magical hair oil in a dark, airtight glass bottle in a cool, dry place. This will help preserve its potency for longer. It should last for several months, stays fresh for up to 2 months, shake before every use. For best results, use this oil 2-3 times a week. Consistency is absolutely key to seeing those amazing transformations. Results. What to expect? Week 1-2, scalp feels nourished, reduced hair fall. Week 3-4, visible growth, thicker strands, natural shine. Week 5+, hair looks healthier, longer, and blacker. The transformation is real. I've used this recipe for months, and the results are truly magical. Your hair will grow faster, stronger, and stay black naturally, without chemical color or treatments. So beauties. If you're struggling with hair fall, graying, or slow growth, give this oil a try, and you'll be amazed by the results. Let me know in the comments which ingredient surprised you the most. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because I have so many more natural secrets to share with you. And remember, your hair is your crown. Let's make it shine.